feel Dayananda Sagar University is providing enough opportunity for skill development and innovation.
Today we are here with our team for participating in the hackathon to enhance our skills. Myself Vaishnavi and she is Dhanya Shree. We are from DSATM, a sister campus of DSU. The DSU is widely recognized for its curriculum based on its industry and soft skill enhancing. Also, we can see that DSU is the first AI university campus and the first AI factory. NVIDIA is providing has thought of training around 70,000 students to upskill and being the one of the first AI campus. Also, here I have heard from a lot of my friends that the curriculum, also the teachers and the placement is too active and very helpful in enhancing their skills.
So, how are you feeling about today's event?
We are excited to be a part of this hackathon. This hackathon is not only beginner friendly, it has impactful applications too. We are excited to be a part of this and we are happy to present our work.